Hi guys, it's Austin here with another unboxing video. I recently purchased a $50 mystery box that I had no idea what was in it, but recently I opened it up just so I could see what was inside it, and to my conclusion, it wasn't what I was truly expecting, but there was one thing that I could make use of, truly. But let's crack this open. And then I'll show you what's inside. Sorry. First thing that I noticed is that it's a 3 speeds adjustment folding fan. The product model is S2. I don't know what that means. The consumption of it is 4.5 watts. And, oh, it charges too. And also it charges the charges your phone as well. Anyway, let's open this up. There we go. Yeah, I didn't open any of these except for maybe 2 things just to see what they were. And honestly, that's its battery. I'm assuming this little thing right here, this little blue thing right here. Yep, that's its battery. And this is the thing itself. And it says it's rechargeable. Well, that was weird. That was one weird way to... Here's a funny thing. I've never done this, ever. Like, have a one weird battery be put into a fan. Let me see if it worked. Nope. I'm guessing it's the other way. Oh. Well, you know, it works. Let me put this in here like this, like so. Okay, but here's a funny thing. If it can go sideways, how do you make it sideways? Oh. It turns. Oh, it turns. I was honestly not expecting that. I mean, that works. Also, it comes with a little USB charging cable right here. For next thing, this one is a sports fan. Make you cool whenever and wherever you are. Like, it just blows my mind. I got like literally 2 fans out of this. So they adjust. These do. So you could like have them around your neck. It'd be like this. Oh, that's pretty cool. They change colors. I'm just now learning about this thing and its speeds. That'd be a little too much wind there. a little too much wind. Along with a USB charger. This right here is an aroma box. It's for a car, which that I could make use of. I'm having such a hard time with this. It just doesn't want to come out. Of course, I'll say it doesn't want to and it comes flying out, but that's okay. Because here's the thing. Like, you turn this thingy, this spiral, and like if you also have like them drops like you put in your bathtub, scent diffusers or whatever. That's what these are for. You just put those in there, like put a few drops on it. I don't know how many, it doesn't really say, but you can use them and put them in there for a smell in your car. Or you can use, I don't know how these would work, but they're little lemon balls. You put them in here. I'm guessing that's what, I'm not understanding what this is exactly. I'm assuming it's like the stick as well. Stick to something or somewhere. I don't know. In here. Looks like we put it away. It's just going over here for now. This one's another one. Here comes the other one. It's a black one. I'm shaking it so I can try and get the box part out. Okay. Here we go, here we go. Here's the other one, it's a black one. It's essential, that's what it was. 2 bags of aromatic beads. I honestly want to know, like, being that I got lemon in that one, like them lemon balls, what flavor this has. It's lemon as well, with the same stuff. But here's another funny gift that I got. It's just so easy. It's a car backpack. I mean, I could, like, gift it to a kid that likes race cars. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. Putting these back. Okay, I'll just figure out where I'm putting the rest of them. The floating fan might get confused, but anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe in this video, and also share it around. My name is Austin again, signing off.